This video is made by Desatu from lignansupplement.com. I'm going to talk about the best antioxidant supplements that are on the market now that you can use to better and protect your health. So on lignansupplement.com, first of all, we've got a full write-up and a list. It was done by a professional writer and an expert in this industry. This is his experience plus my experience with the antioxidant supplements. So I've been using supplements since 2018 and I really like the fact that supplement replaces what is missing in our food and body. So first of all, let me just walk you through a list of what we've got here. The number one is Fountain of Life. What so you understand, Fountain of Life is produced by Opulence Global, a Toronto-based company. Here is their Instagram, on which you can see some of their other body products and fashion accessories. All those products are Europe or North America made and sent worldwide. We really like their natural health product, Fountain of Life, because it is a powerful, efficient antioxidant. The antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties are coming from the lignans extracted from the Norwegian spruce. These 10 recommendations you find on lignansupplement.com cover different types of supplements available in the market. Since some boost health in general and others are more focused, it is best to give the ingredients a study before opting for any one supplement. Our personal favorite is the Fountain of Life Drops. Why did we choose this product? It is natural and contains both vitamins and major antioxidants, which help us stay nutritionally balanced and is great for boosting immunity. It is also suitable for vegans and alcohol-free, which makes it easy to consume for most people. If you are looking for an antioxidant to improve multiple health aspects, do check out and try Fountain of Life Drops. It is a definite recommendation. To get the bottle, you just click on the quantity button that will direct you to the purchase site, where you sign up and add the product to your cart. Simply follow the instructions. For information, the price shown is in Canadian dollars. Wherever you are in the world, your parcel will be delivered to your doorstep. If you follow the link and purchase in the description below, you will receive a bonus guide from us. It's a premium guide on how to boost your immune system with food. We've got recipes information too. Let me just scroll through this so you can kind of get a sense of how much is in here, and this is one of additional resources you get. I really hope you try Fountain of Life FOL through our link. You can message me in the comments if you have any questions. And go to lignansupplement.com. I'll put the link in the description so you can get your bottles with us. So that's it for the video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. This is Desatu Akuma from lignansupplement.com. Meet you in another video. Thanks. Bye.